In this video, we will dive deeper into the CAD system where the entry methods such as application menu, ribbon, panels, context, right-click menus, quick access toolbar, and command keyboard are being introduced. In this section, we will look at Autocad for the very first time. I'm just going to point out some of the key features in areas on the user interface of Autocad. So you want to create some brand new fantastic design with Autocad. That's great. The very first step is an obvious one. You need to turn it on. One thing that you're going to find commonplace in Autocad is that there will always be multiple ways of doing anything. From just drawing a line, saving a file, tracing something, or from closing Autocad altogether. Well, that's also true when it comes to turning it on. So to start Autocad, either double-click the Autocad icon that is on your desktop, which is typically how I do it, or you can go to your Start button on your desktop and then click on the Autocad icon. Either way, you're going to get to where you want to go. Another thing you can do is to browse to an Autocad file, which ends in a .dwg in Windows Explorer. Double-click it and it will open up the file and open up Autocad. So as you can see, there are a lot of ways to open up Autocad. When you open up Autocad for the very first time, you're going to see a splash screen. And then you're going to see what's called the welcome screen. That's this right here and has a lot of different areas in it. And we're going to talk about it a little bit later on. You can close that if you want and you don't ever have to see it again. Otherwise, it can come up every time. It's up to you. Throughout this video, I'm going to use the term out of the box. When I say something is out of the box, I'm referring to the default settings of AutoCAD. So, out of the box, AutoCAD will open the default template file. When you turn on AutoCAD, that is the file right here. See all these grids and lines? You're actually inside an AutoCAD file, so you can start drawing right away.